Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the stages of a team development. Friend, this is a very important topic and we have taken this topic from PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, and in terms of project management this is a very important topic, especially if you are a student of PMP and you are planning to give exam of PMP exam in the near future. So we will see this topic in the exam as well. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. Friend, what are the stages of team development? See friend, if you are working for any project and so the most important thing to successfully deliver project is the required skilled resources for a project. If you have the required skilled resources in hand which are assigned for a project, so remember that you can successfully complete a project on time. And for the skilled resources, the important thing is the team building actually. With the reference to the team building, that means the project will start, the team will form, and with the passage of time the team will form and organize and mature, and in the end the team will successfully deliver the project, and after that the team will dissolve. So these are the main stages of a team. So that means friend, the team basically means a group of individuals who are working for the same objective, aims, and the same objective. For that reason, due to that reason, we consider it as a team. For example, a cricket team is an individual of 11 people who are working for the same goal and objective, that they want to defeat the other team as well. So the main stages of team development are forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. So one by one we shall discuss all these stages. First one is the forming stage. Forming stage means friend that whatever the required resources you need, so you will form a group of team members. For example, if you have to deliver a project of e-commerce solution, so you will form a team. Form a team means that you will form that. For example, you need 2 software engineers, 1 software designer, 1 database engineer, 1 application developer, one deployment engineer. So you will form a team here. This is the forming mean. The other stage is the storming stage. The storming means friend that every team member has a different personality. So due to that reason, the level of conflicts at that stage will be very high. Everyone has a different personality. You will face different types of conflicts, different types of problems there. So this is the storming stage, in which the level of conflicts and level of problems are a very high stage. Then the next stage is the norming stage. Norming stage means friend that with the passage of times, everyone will get familiar to each other. They are working together, they are working for the same objective and goal. They are understanding the other person's personality. They know that how he will behave, how he will react, and according to his personality everyone is molding accordingly, and everyone is understanding to each other. So the level of conflicts and level of issues will be decreasing at that stage. So this is the norming stage here. Then the performing stage. Performing stage means that friends, when everyone gets knowledge about everyone and they know each other very well, so this is the performing stage. Performing stage means that now team is working together. They are giving their 100%, and they are trying level best to deliver the things, and they have a focus that they must have to give their 100%. So at that level the team is basically working cohesively. They are working, they are trying their level best to perform, and this is the performing stage. Then the adjourning stage. Adjourning stage is the last stage. Here everyone is now completing the work, they are wrapping up the things, they are accomplishing the task, and now this is the stage which is basically, you can say, the closing stage of a project. At this stage everyone know about each other very well. They are just everyone is now just wrapping up the things, and after closing the things the team will be reassigned, team will be dissolved, and team will be reassigned to any other project. So this is the last stage, which is called as adjourning stage. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video, and thanks.